Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My today's video is about the ringtone settings of your device Redmi A1. So if you want to set or change a ringtone in your device Redmi A1, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can set or change ringtone in your device.